Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is installing a flush mount fuel cap, part 2. Stay tuned. So I'm here today for a little redemption. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my previous video on the Hogwarts flush mount fuel cap. I'll leave a link to it right here. Right, so that one didn't work out. I'll let you watch the video and figure out why. So today, we got the other one I talked about in that video. I paid the extra money and got the Harley flush mount fuel cap. Let's see what's in the box. Just in case you're curious, I did reach out to Hogwarts about that. I sent them an email and some pictures of it leaking, and they said they would replace it. That was 5 weeks ago. Still waiting on it. So I was hoping to have it here to show you both and compare side by side, but I'm sure it's lost in the mail. Anyway, let's put this one on. So what's in the box? Instructions, the trim ring, adhesive tape on one side, and the fuel cap. So I was a little worried about this one when I saw it online because that seemed so thin in the middle that this sits on. I was worried about leverage on there, but now that I'm holding it in hand, it seems really sturdy. Ooh, look at that. Okay, simple enough. We're just going to remove the fuel cap. Clean this off a little bit. It's pretty dusty. A little bit of rubbing alcohol. Put the new one in. Just twist in, clicks, push down, turn. All right, it stays in. Now we've got to align this. Okay, with which way doesn't have a gap around it. So I think that's about there. Put some tape here. A little bit of tape here. Actually, I think that's it right there. Mark that. Ring back off. A little more alcohol. Oop, let's mark that off. Take the backing off the adhesive. I'm going to line these marks up here. Make sure it's sitting even around the ring. Push in place. And that is it. We're going to let that sit and cure for a few minutes. The instructions, yes, I read the instructions. The instructions say 5 to 7 minutes. So we'll take a quick break, go get a soda, and be right back. I don't always drink soda, but when I do, I drink RC. All right, folks, good time to say, if you like what you're watching, right? If you like what you're watching, hit that like button right there. It's right there, just a little bit. Boom, that's it. Maybe even subscribe. All right, now I'm just being obnoxious. Good morning, fine people of YouTube. How's it going today? Got a cup of coffee, doing a follow-up on the flush mount fuel cap. Just wanted to give a little update. So I put this in about 3 weeks ago. If some of you saw the one about the Hogwarts one, you know, after a couple of days that started spouting or spitting fuel out the top of it. So I didn't want to release this video right after I put it in. I wanted to give it a few weeks and see if this one works. So it's been about 3 weeks now, and this thing's been fine, man. I've got quite a few hundred miles on it. I think 3 tanks of gas, and it's been fine. No issues with it at all. So, and so it's now been like 7 or 8 weeks since I contacted Hogworks about the other one. Still don't have it. Still don't have the replacement. Not that I want it, but you know, it would have been nice for them to honor that. Anyway, if you're in the market for a flush mount fuel cap, pay the extra 20 bucks, get the Harley Davidson one. All right, that's it. Just wanted to give an update for that. All right, you guys take care. Have a great day. Ride safe. I'll see you out there later.